Hello, welcome to the Amrit. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, in partnership with National Jal Jeevan Mission, Department of Drinking Water and Sanitization, Ministry of Jal Shakti to develop smart water supply measurement and quality monitoring system.
घोषणा की
हर घर को जल कैसे मिले, पीने का शुद्ध पानी कैसे मिले, और इसलिए आज मैं लाल किले से घोषित करता हूं कि हम आने वाले दिनों में जल जीवन मिशन को लेकर के आगे बढ़ेंगे। ये जल जीवन मिशन, इसके लिए केंद्र और राज्य साथ मिलकर के काम करेंगे और आने वाले वर्षों में 3.5 लाख करोड़ रुपए से भी ज्यादा रकम जल जीवन मिशन के लिए खर्च करने का हमने संकल्प किया।
और इस बार का बड़ा लक्ष्य है 3,60,000 करोड़ की लागत से जल जीवन मिशन के तहत 2024 तक हर घर नल से जल पहुंचाने का। अभी तक देश के 18 करोड़ ग्रामीण घरों में से 3.25 करोड़ घरों को नल से जल पहुंचाया जा चुका है और अगले 4.5 सालों में लगभग 14.5 करोड़ घरों में नल से जल पहुंचाया जाएगा। लक्ष्य है बड़ा और सीमा तय है अगले 4.5 साल। इसलिए एक सटीक और सही प्लानिंग के साथ इस मिशन का क्रियान्वयन है बेहद जरूरी। जल जीवन मिशन।
Welcome to the Amrit. It is a smart water measurement and quality monitoring system. Amrit is an IoT-based system for real-time monitoring of quality and quantity for potable water. The system has an interactive dashboard for data visualization with nodes hierarchy. A user can manage the faults in water and distribution network, demands, bills, and supply schedules. We have is AI and IoT system architectures. Sensors are connected to source device, branch device and tail device, and data has been transferred to Amrit edge networks and passed on to Amrit platform, and data is also automatically being sent to their servers. Devices USPs are low cost, quick installation, tempered detection, low power, plug-and-play sensor connectivity, 2G, 4G, LoRa Wi-Fi connectivity, IP65 standard, 48 hours to 180 days power backup, microcontroller, portable, remote calibration and device management, compact size, data communication as per user defined, live display of data on LED screen, power on solar, data storage till 1 year on device. For remote platform USPs we have analytics and insights of raw data, real-time device and data monitoring, remote calibration and device management, IoT configuration, alert ticket management about quality control and flow control, email, SMS alert, reports, compare plant performance, secure user-wise and role-wise, device health monitoring, remote device configuration and control, dashboard with various KPI, deploy on any cloud or on-premises data center, container base, onboarding user or device using RPA in auto mode, AI chatbot, support for ticket information etc., geotagging of device display. Installation has been done in various villages where we have completed the deployment by following sequential steps which are survey for identification of nodes location and making official way clear regarding the project. Device sensors and writing installation sensor calibration onboarding villages and nodes configuration, the nodes on dashboard for real-time monitoring, and after 15 days of data logging, we inspected the site for any issue regarding maintenance. Thank you SUDAC, METI and Jal Jeevan Mission for giving us this opportunity and participating in the ICT Grand Challenge.